Welcome to Chef Max. Today we introduce the installation and usage of the giant cabinet. First, when you receive it, you will need to put it here at a stable condition without doing anything. This is to ensure the machine will work at a good condition after long time shipping. Second, we do the power on. For every machine, we will provide a plug here. If you are from some other country, we will provide a plug suitable to use at your country. So you just need to plug it in and then you can begin to use the machine. Later, we see how to set the machine. You can see here, you can set the temperature, humidity, and also time on the panel. So you just need to change the mode and then adjust up and down. You can begin to use. Also, we can see there is a lighting here. This is for you to see the real condition of the food inside the cabinet without opening the door. So this is the installation and usage of the giant cabinet.